So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable voice dial on the lock screen. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings. That takes you to the main settings page. Scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Tap on that and then enter your current passcode. And then inside Face ID and passcode, just scroll down to voice dial. So you can enable voice dial from here, or you can disable it again from here. So that's basically how to enable, and that's how to disable voice dial on the lock screen. Voice dial basically is what allows you to make calls using Siri on the lock screen. So ideally, you should be able to make calls using Siri. So for instance, I can just go call Web Pro Office like that, okay? But then the voice dial feature is what prevents me or allows me to do that on the lock screen, okay? So with this disabled like that, and I lock my screen, call Web Pro Office. It's going to require a passcode before it can make that call. And that's what the voice dial feature is all about. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.